they are tested.
It all began with Liberian national Thomas Eric Duncan, the first Ebola case on U.S. soil, who succumbed to the deadly virus last week. Now, just days later, not one, but two of the nurses who treated Duncan at Texas Health Presbyterian Hospital in Dallas have been diagnosed with Ebola. Dr. Daniel Varga is the hospital's chief clinical officer.
A lot is being said about what may or may not have occurred to cause some of our colleagues to contract this disease. But it's clear there was an exposure somewhere, sometime in their treatment of Mr. Duncan.
And with the nurse aboard a domestic flight just hours before being hospitalized Tuesday, the concerns about possible exposure have grown. The latest case prompted President Barack Obama to cancel a Wednesday campaign trip and stay in Washington for a meeting with cabinet officials. He told reporters at the White House any new U.S. Ebola cases will be much more aggressively monitored, but that current protocols in place do work.
If we do these protocols properly, if we follow the steps, if we get the information out, then the likelihood of widespread Ebola outbreaks in this country are very, very low.
President Obama announced that special rapid response teams will be dispatched to any U.S. hospitals forced to deal with new Ebola cases. While reassuring Americans of the domestic response, President Obama said the United States cannot lose sight of the international response to the Ebola outbreak that has killed nearly 4,500 people in West Africa.
I am absolutely confident that we can prevent a serious outbreak of the disease here in the United States. But it becomes more difficult to do so if this epidemic of Ebola rages out of control in West Africa.
Mr. Obama said the investment the U.S. makes in Liberia, Sierra Leone, and Guinea is an investment in the public health of Americans. On Wednesday, the president underscored the need for greater international resources during phone calls with European and Japanese leaders. Aru Pande, VOA News, the White House.